All right, we back once again. I wanted to show just a quick way you guys can, you girls and guys, actually, anybody that watches this is 99% likely to be a male between the ages of 25 and 45. It's literally the entirety of my audience. So, if you're watching this, I'm basically with the same person because that's me. Okay, anyways, so if you're looking to have an easy way to find good stocks to buy, check Tickeron Screener out. I think it's extremely powerful. Uh, yes, I get paid by Tickeron to say these things, but I was using Tickeron well before they ever came to me and said, "Hey, can you do some reviews of our stuff?" So, yeah, I think these systems are really cool. I've been digging a lot deeper into some of this stuff, but you guys can kind of see what I do here. Basically, what I like to do is I like to be long stocks that the market likes at the moment. And the market likes stocks that are uh, kind of in this outperformance mode. Like, so for example, this is already going to rank the different sectors and stuff by how it's performing for the year. You can change that. I mean, you can go like, hey, what's been performing in the last couple weeks or last week or last month. You can see it's sort of the same stuff. Last quarter, energy minerals last year, energy minerals at the top. Last 6 months, energy minerals. So, if we wanted to find a good stock, how about we just check energy minerals? There's 131 stocks in here. So you can just filter it out by that 131 if you wanted to, which is perfectly fine. And then basically, what I like to do is come in here to this scorecard. And I like these AI predictions in a week. I want to see them, the AI predicting bullish for both the next week and the next month. We apply that filter. Then I will update it by insider buying. All right, so we want to know what the insiders are buying. So we're in the hottest sector for basically pretty much the last year. We've got AI predictions both for the next week and month, both bullish, and we've got insider buying here. So here's a sweet stock we can add to our watch list. Then what you can do is find a few stocks that you like. I don't know, let's just pick the top 5 here. There's Oxy. I like Oxy. We'll put those in there. DLR. I see DLR. A lot of stuff. CCI. So a lot of popular energy stocks. Matador. And then you can come up here and add it to your watch list. So boom, new watch list. Hottest sector is energy minerals. Then we'll keep a watch list of energy minerals, and then you can come up here to your watch list. So we have a hottest sector. We got AI bullish next week and next month, and we've got the top insider buying. So we've got a nice little set of stocks for once year insider trading. Basically, look at that, all bullish, insider buying, all strong buys. Look at these charts. Quick, easy way to find stocks that are being bought. These are the type of charts that you want to be in if you were trying to buy and hold. I know it's crazy buying here, but you could have said that here, you could have said that here, you could have said that here. So these are the stocks I want to be in for energy minerals. And that's how I find easy stocks here to just start buying. And you don't have to worry about what's going on in the indices. The indices are going to do their own thing because of passive investing and because of liquidity issues and all that kind of stuff. The individual stocks, there's still a bull market somewhere, as Kramer would say. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.